What's up, guys? We are out here at Sand Key, and my beautiful wife got me this trip for I guess my birthday. We're gonna be kayaking, going through all the mangroves, doing some fishing. Where? Dolphin?
Like right in front of that boat right there.
Oh! Yeah, there it is. Well, that's a good way to start off the video. We're gonna show you guys all the things that we find. Off recording. I want to say some stuff that I want to regret. So to get to Shell Key, you have to take a ferry from Hubbard's Marina. The ferry costs about $100 and it travels right along Fort DeSoto State Park, where it'll take you to your campsite at Sand Key. It's a beautiful island, like 3 miles off the coast, off the west coast of Florida. Literally all types of wildlife. People are already here boating, and we're gonna spend the night camping. Got our firewood, got our kayak, got our whole tent, and really excited for this adventure. Look how clear this water is. Just beautiful, almost Caribbean blue. Not quite, but we'll take what we can get here on the west coast of Florida. Oh, look at that dolphin. Yo, look at that. This is how it is here on Sand Key. This is no zoom either. There's a fish right there that he's chasing.
You see it?
Oh, he's trying to pinch me. Equality. This little guy was just crawling towards me. So I just got done kayaking, packed us some PB&Js. Hopefully I can catch some fish for us for dinner tonight. If not, it's just rice and beans. Pressure makes diamonds, so. So you guys remember when I said pressure makes diamonds? On my second cast, dinner was caught. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. Those are my fillets right there. Abby's getting the fire going. So I used this kit that I got actually for our wedding that I hadn't used before. It's like this travel kit to fillet these two boys. I used the back of that knife to scale it because we didn't have a scaler. Hopefully they're good. Abby's got the fire going nice. So this is what we got going so far.
It's already starting to, the skin starting to peel up. Don't have any oils, any nothing. So.
Nope, it's cooking in bean sauce. Just taking a moment to take all of this in. So beautiful. Love you, babe. Got the fire going nice. Abby and I telling each other our deepest, darkest secrets.
The baby powder gets sand off. I don't need it for anything else besides that. Thank you.
Pro tip, every now and then I just gotta turn this baby up a little bit, keep it going. Beautiful. Good morning from the beautiful Shell Key. Woke up for a nice little sunrise. Honestly, it wasn't that bad camping out here. It was about 60 or so degrees last night. But yeah, we forgot some things. So I forgot my change of clothes. That was just no go for me. Make sure you don't do that. And then we thought we brought too much firewood. Ended up not bringing enough firewood. So that was also a problem. But other than that, you know, I caught dinner, so I got to sleep that one off. That was nice. So we just kayaked over to Fort DeSoto State Park, and now we're going through this little inlet It's a pretty cool spot, honestly. It's only because low tide that we were able to even come in here, because yesterday it was full, or you couldn't get there because of the sandbar. But now we're kayaking through. Abby will show you around.
Nobody else here.
Just empty. This is called Outback Key, voted one of the top 5 most unique beaches in the world. That's where we stayed last night, right across the canal over there. The tide rolls up here every day. Rolls up, leaves these little tide pools, rolls right back down. That's where the bay meets the Gulf of Mexico. Now, tide is rising a little bit, so water is filling back in. And I'll show you guys why they say this is one of the top 5 most unique beaches in the world. That over there is just regular ocean water. When you get over here, that's the Gulf of Mexico.
Pretty cool.
Let's see what we got. Half of a, oh, that's actually kind of cool. I didn't think I saw that one.
This one's a closed version. This is a conch, but with barnacles and shells growing on it.
Anything in there?
No.
We'll see.
And then it's a piece of coral, but it's shaped like a bowl. You can pretty easily put things there, like a catch-all.
Nice. Just taking a quick lunch break. Abby made these PB&Js. Huge move on her part. Found these little mangrove. Hey, but we're just out here vibing. Like that seagull over there. Just vibing.
Yeah, the other side. So we are kayaking and we see dolphin directly beside us, but we are pretty close.
I'm gonna try to get a close look. Whoa. Look at that.
As much as we see dolphins here, it's still pretty exciting every time we see them.
Also, shout out to Intex, because this kayak is one of the best investments we've ever made. All we have to do is deflate it. It takes about 10 minutes to deflate, and we literally traveled all throughout the bay, and it was just really nice. We're packing our stuff up right now. Overall, really great trip. We're about to go over there, deflate the kayak. Abby's washing up some of the utensils. You can see the beach is just empty now. Empty on a Sunday. Everybody just took off for the weekend, but overall, great trip. Tune in next time.